Conversation cards are a tool developed by Frameworks of Tampa Bay in partnership with Big Brothers Big Sisters. Frameworks is a nonprofit, and our mission is to support adults in helping children build their emotional intelligence so they can succeed personally, academically, and one day professionally. Conversation cards are a tool to use with children. Each card has an emoji on one side, and the other side has a question followed by a prompt designed to encourage conversation. There are many ways to use conversation cards. You can role play by taking a question and turning it into a scenario. For example, if the card says, "What do you do when you're sad or disappointed?" you could ask, "How would you react if you tried out for the soccer team and didn't make it?" You can also use the cards like a memory game. Other ways to use the cards are by simply identifying what emotion the emoji is making, or playing Go Fish and answering the questions on the cards. Some helpful hints. Make the cards a regular part of your routine. Instead of referring to emotions as positive or negative or good or bad, try comfortable or uncomfortable. Emphasize that all emotions are okay. For example, we all feel angry sometimes, but what matters most is how we respond to those emotions. To build trust, always answer questions yourself. We want this to be a conversation between you and the child in your care, not just them doing all the talking. If a child doesn't feel comfortable answering a question, always let them refrain. And don't be discouraged if it takes time for children to open up. Just keep trying. We hope that this helps you with using your conversation cards. To find out more about frameworks and our mission to increase emotional intelligence, please go to our website or scan the QR code.